A while back now, I showed you how not to hardwire a dashcam. And since this time, I've shown you why you need a dashcam. Now, my existing VS1 is a forward-facing dashcam, and I've been more than happy with what it has captured. Now, what I'm going to be showing you today is the higher end of the VIOFO dashcam range. And the reasons why I'm so happy with this is that, yes, I'm getting a much better dashcam, but also I'm going to be able to increase my filming angles, and I might finally be able to test an idea that I've had before. But first things first, I suppose we better see what's in the box. So what we have here is the VIOFO A229 Plus 3-channel dashcam setup. Now, they have included a few extra bits that you do buy separately. So that is the Bluetooth button. Basically, this means that we can whack it and it will record whatever has just happened. But they also sent the CPL filter. Now, the CPL filter I discovered was important with the VS1 because it just basically removes all the glare you get from the front windscreen. But the one accessory I didn't ask for was the hardwire kit, as you can probably imagine why. Now, I never get asked to say anything specific on review videos, but given the timing of this one, I will give a little VIOFO speech just because it will save you money. Ready? VIOFO is running an epic Black Friday sale in VIOFO website from November the 15th through to December the 2nd, with up to $90 off selected models. For the VS1 dashcam I often use in my videos now is only $99, that is £76.68 after discount. And for the Dashcam A229 Plus, which I am testing now, this will be $179.99 or £139.42. Don't miss the chance. If you want a great dashcam, use the link below. And this is where I should do a rate my advertiser voice moment. So if you're not using the hardwire kit, you can use the 12-volt setup that comes with it. So this literally plugs into your cigarette lighter. You've got two USB-A's in it, and then this lead is what goes from the main dashcam to this. So what makes this dashcam setup so much better for me is that it comes with two extra cameras. So you have your forward-facing front camera setup, and then you have an interior camera and an exterior camera. Now, what I'm thinking might work dependent on condensation is that I can use this camera setup as a form of car camping security. Now, the only thing I need to test when I put this up in a minute is, will I still be able to put my blackout on if I've got this camera on that window? Now, looking at it, I don't think that's going to be too much of a problem. It's so small, it should be okay. And the other reason why I really like having an interior camera that has little infrared lights too for nighttime is that I should be able to use it for filming purposes in my actual car camp videos. And if the car camping security aspect works, well, that is a winner chicken dinner. So I suppose I best get this installed. Now, this is going to be relatively straightforward, I hope. It comes with this little tool, and that enables you to jam the wire in the headliner going around the car. Okay, so I've just checked, and where you should actually install the rear dash cam is as close to the top center as you can. But if I have mine that close to the top, that is clearly going to mess around with my blackouts. So I might try putting it a little bit lower, just so there's enough room for the blackout to still go around it. What I'm going to do, before I take off the sticky bit and make it semi-permanent, I think I'm going to get some blue tack and make sure the blackout blind will still work. Now, the thing to look out for when you're fitting this is that you need to remember the camera needs to be between these lines. So the actual unit is slightly higher, but the camera sits between, but you can move the camera up and down. So this is my first attempt, what I'm looking at. wire goes really easily into that headliner, it goes really easily into this headliner, but I'm going to have open exposed wire here because I don't know how else I'm going to hide that. But I don't mind that, I can tape that up and make it look a bit better and more secure. So now I just need to thread this wire all the way along there to the front. So I'm thinking for the cab cam it will go here, maybe in the top left corner. An important thing I can say about when you're placing your dash cam, you see those windscreen wiper marks there? Well, you need to make sure you're placing your dash cam beneath that mark, above that line and too high. Then if it's raining, you'll never see beyond the rain because it will never get cleared. So you get 3 of these in the box, and what these are, these stick to your windscreen and then your dash cam sticks to this, and what it basically means is you can move your dash cam without ruining the sticky bit of the dash cam, because that is on this and this can just come off and be replaced. Well, that is all the cameras set up and properly affixed. I haven't sorted out the wiring properly yet, as you can probably tell, but what I want to do now is just take the car for a little spin and we'll see how this all looks.
Some things that will better encourage people. That's it.
So Ed Davies, hunting the Live Down leader in Wales, should resign. It's over Jane Dodds' handling of a sexual abuse case, but for the first time people have to show things like a passport or driving licence to cast their vote for a general election.
So it's about 4 o'clock now, so you're getting quite a good idea of what the quality of all the pictures are. But what I will do probably tomorrow is take the car out at night time, just so you can see what the quality is like at night time. And also I want to see what the quality of the infrared on the cab cam is like. So my next little test is the car camping security, but rather than using my big power station, I'm going to use my little battery bank, and we're going to see if this will power the dash cam. Which it does. So if all goes to plan, what you'll see on the screen now, bosh. So that is being powered by my tiny little battery bank there, and I can access all the cameras to see. Now there's loads of features that these dash cams have that I haven't mentioned so far, but just to give you an idea, basically the front and rear cams are both 2K, the internal cam is 1080p. You have the upgraded infrared cabin lighting, the front and back cameras are both HDR, you can record in low bit rate, you can record in time-lapse that I haven't looked at yet. It's got ultra-precise GPS, but what I also like as well, you get a little warning sticker. So I am actually going to put this in the back because I often have people driving up my backside. So it's good that A, I now have a camera so I can record them, and secondly, I'll have a little sticker letting them know the camera's there. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, take care.